Hi everyone, this is Joe with Sagarius Real Estate, and here's the deal of the day. It's a townhouse style duplex up in Everett, close to Boeing, two large units with a single car garage for each unit, nice yards, dated carpet and flooring. You know, it's a little dated. It was built in 1987, but it's still in great shape. This is an outstanding opportunity for any Boeing employees out there that want to get into real estate investing. You can live in one side while you rent out the other side. After about a year, you can go ahead and move on to your next property and rent out both units in the duplex. We've crunched numbers on it here as though both units are rented. They're asking $575 for it. We believe it makes sense at roughly that price point. Currently, the property is vacant, makes that house hack, owner-occupied, multifamily easier to accomplish, but they project the rents at $1,900 to $2,000, which makes sense given the condition of the property and the average rents for a 3-bed, 1.5 bath within a 1.5 mile radius. They put it kind of probably in 50 to 75th percentile for rents in that area, which seems to make sense given the condition. We want to try and bump those up to $2,000 per unit, plus add a $200 a month utility recovery, which makes sense. The tenants are the ones using the utilities, so you might as well have them pay for it. Factored into our analysis, the property taxes, the tenants pay the electricity, owner does have the responsibility for water, sewer, and garbage, but we did factor that into the utility recovery above. We figure about $1,000 a unit a year for maintenance. We budgeted property management on this one at 7%, should be a pretty easy one to manage. We have $1,000 per unit for repair costs, which really probably doesn't need anything, but just sometimes when you have a tenant going into a currently vacant unit, they find a few things that need to be fixed. So we wanted to budget for that. We do have $600 per unit for lease-up fees, and that gets us under current conditions, or the $1,900 projected rent with no utility recovery. Numbers aren't super outstanding, but it's okay. And then getting the rents to $2,000, adding in that $200 utility recovery, the numbers actually start to look pretty good. Property would cash flow about $700 a month. Would be a 6 cap, a little over a 6 cap, which is better than the market is doing these days. It's turnkey. It's ready to go. It's a good entry level duplex, right close to Boeing. Good schools, good neighborhood. I think this one has a lot of potential, especially if you want to owner-occupy one unit and live in the other. I think it's a fantastic property for that. Please let me know if you have any questions. My contact info is in the email, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Have a great day.